820000165 2015-17 MacBook Air motherboard which came in dead. So upon inspection we have noticed how it's fixed. So we had a bit of damage here. This is the damage number 1 and this damage number 2. The broken tray is due to water damage. So this is for SMC reset and platform reset signals. So this was damaged, so this particular chip was not working. So we had to rework this area and this thing starts working. Now in the trace, the missing trace has been fixed using this wire. Let's go ahead and check this now. Charger, yes, we connected the charger. Green light, fan spin. And the speaker is connected. Wow, that is a chime of life on a MacBook motherboard. Finally fixed. CPU is getting hot. Let's test it one more time. And stopped. Connected again. Green light, fan spin, orange light. Let's wait for the chime one more time. That is this is a soothing sound, indication of a life back on a MacBook. So it's a win for the weekend, and happy weekend everyone. See you all soon.